following message is requested by government authorities. This message is currently being aired across the globe. A huge increase in seismic activity has been reported and is currently being rated as a global earthquake scenario. The earthquake will last for 2 to 3 hours. It is recommended to stay hidden and to stay away from objects that can fall, and to stay away from windows. This is a tectonic earthquake. Source: seismogram indicated sources. This is a global emergency, and curfew will be active until another emergency alert message tells you that everything will be clear. Curfew will be active for the whole continent of Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia.
The following message is requested as government authorities. This message is currently being aired across the globe. A huge increase in seismic activity has been reported, and is currently being rated as a global earthquake scenario. The earthquake will last for 2, 3 hours. It is recommended to stay hidden and to stay away from objects that can fall, and to stay away from windows. This is a tectonic earthquake. Source: seismogram indicated sources. This is a global emergency, and curfew will be active until another emergency alert message tells you that everything will be clear. Curfew will be active for the following continents: Asia, Africa, North America, South America,